everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to work on this Duchess fabric and we are going to use it to cut out side gathers, and this is the material is 1.5 year that we are going to use on it. So I implore you to stay tuned and let's get started now. I will go ahead now to fold my fabric. So what I'm doing, I will fold it in 4 pieces all together, like the front and the back is what we are going to cut at once. That's why we are folding it in 4 pieces like this. So this we'll fold it. So after that, so let me use my scissors to clean on it because the breeze is disturbing here. So I'll place it. So then I will start from my shoulder, that's from the upper side, and get my length. My length that I'm having here is 36.5 inches. 36.5 inches, that is for the length. So then after that, I'll go ahead now to make sure from the upper side, that is from the shoulder to get to my chest line, which is 8.5 inches is what I'm marking. And then I will roll it. So that is the chest line. After my chest line, I'll go ahead now to measure my hip length. My hip length that I'm marking here is 23 inches. That's for my hip length. And I also go back and mark my half length, which is 15 inches. So that's my half length. So then for our neckline, I will be marking 4 inches, and the neckline to bring it down by 3 inches, and then I will curve it like this. That's from the front neckline. So to get my back neckline, I will place my tape also and mark 1.5 inches like this, and also curve it like this. So we've gotten our front neckline, the depth, and the back neckline, the depth. So then I'll go ahead now to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 15 inches, that is 7.5 when divided by 2. So that is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. Then I will roll it. So I will roll it. So that is it. So now I will start with my shoulder slope. Mark ½ inch, and then I'll slope it. So after that, we'll start with our body measurement now. So I'm placing my tape on my chest line to mark my bust. My bust here that I'm marking is 38 inches, adding 1 inch for this sewing allowance. So coming to my waist is 30 inches. So divided by 4, that will give you 7.5 inches, and then mark 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. You should have done that, marking it. So to my hip also is 38 inches. That's 9.5 inches, adding 1 inch for the allowance. And then I will connect all my marks together, starting from my bust. So I'll place it mark like this to my waist. So to my waist to my hip, that is from my waist to the hip. That is it. So then come to the hemline, like the down part. I will shape it and mark 36 inches. Just remove 1 inch, 2 inches from it, from the hip. No, the hip is 38. So to shape it is 36. So then I will just connect the marks together from my hip now. to my hemline. So we shall have done that now. So to cut my hem up, I'll place my tape from the shoulder and from the chest line, placing it, marking 2 inches, and then using my curve ruler to curve it. So that is it. So we have done that. Now is to cut. So let me use this to place it. So I will start from the neckline. That's for the back neckline. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it so that others can see and watch. Please, if you're not done that, please do that. So I'm cutting now. Remember, we are cutting the front and the back all together at once. So we folded it in 4 pieces. So that's what we are cutting now. So I've cut it out, and then it's side gathers that we want to make. So what I will do now, I will now place my tape like this, placing my tape to get what we want. So what we want here is 16 inches, or let me put it 15 inches. So from here now, to get our middle point, marking 3.5 inches like this, 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches. Let me end it here on our half length, and then roll it like this. So after doing that, so from here now, that is where I will curve it now. So because that is where we want to get. Okay, I will still continue like this. Continue to mark my 3.5 inches. So that's 3.5 inches here. So then I will now curve it from where we mark 15 inches. Okay, what I did is from this side of it, please, this side of it, that's 15 inches. So this is where we'll curve it now to connect to our 3.5 inches on this side, not the middle point, the side that go to the hip side. So this is the side. So I'm going to cut it out now. So cut it and cut it to the point that will mark our 3.5 inches. So can you see what I did now? So I've cut it out now. So I've done that now. So I've not cut the front neckline. So let me do that now. So I'll take out that back side of it and cut the depth of the front neckline. So pull it out, and let me also spread it for you to see how it will be. So this is it now. So this is how it will go. So I'll go and join it together, and also bring the remaining fabric to use it to cut out our side gathers, and then we'll gather it. To cut out the side gathers, this is our fabric that we are going to use. So I'm placing it like this to cut and fold it. So what I will do, I will bring the one that we have used, like the pieces that we cut out, and lay it like this to cut. And if you are cutting this kind of style, you can see the way I place it now. We have like 2 inches surplus. Let me measure it. yes, 2 inches, so that by the time you want to gather or fix it, it can remain. And if it remain, you can trim it out. So that is the essence of leaving this up to 2. You can also leave it more than that. So that is it. So then we'll now curve it like this, like this. So that is it. So what we just do, we just cut it out now. So I'm going to cut it out. So this is how to make your side gathers and to fold it the way you see me folding it. This is how to fold it out, and then using the one that we have cut out, like the one that you saw me now using to lean on it and cut. So that is it. We've cut it. So what I will do, just spread it like this and open the down part of it. So that is it. So after that, we take it to the machine to go and run a stitch for the gathers, and then we'll now gather it out. So this is it. So this is how to cut it, please. So now I'm going to join my body part now. So I will start from my bust. My bust is 38 inches. So that's my 38 inches. So I will add 1 inch this way, 1 inch this way. So to my waist, so this is my waist, 30 inches, and this is 30, 1, 2, 3. So that is 1.5 inch on this side. Coming to this side, 1.5 inches. Remember, it's side gather that we are making. So that is my 38 also. So 1 inch this side and 1 inch the other side. So you connect the marks together like this and connect it like this. So I will go and join the shoulder and join the body part together before we now join our gathers together also. So this is how it will be. Please subscribe. Join the body part now. So it's to gather the side gathers. To join sew the gather side, and now is to pull it out, just to draw it a little so that it will gather, as you can see me doing. So this is how you gather your side gathers, and then we'll now place it on the side of the gathers. So this is it. I'm just dragging it a little. So this is it. So we've gotten it like the side gathers now. So our side gather dress is ready, as you can see, ready to wear. So you can make this for yourself, very lovely. So please always subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also comment. And if you don't know how to cut it or how we go about it, just watch the video again so that you can know how to cut this simple style and elegant. So please, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.